of things lacking. If I give you, there's a list of things. I don't think the time will be enough. But electricity, water, infrastructure, lots of things. You can see for yourself. This is a beautiful village, but it's been destroyed, completely destroyed. So we want to, whatever is left, we want to save the whatever is left for our future generation. So that's the reason why that has motivated us to contest this election.
What are the priorities?
First is water connection. Second is electricity. Water connection, very pathetic. Not even 1 hour sometimes. Sometimes there's no water for a couple of days. Only the few selected people get water. Rest of us, like for me, sometimes there's no water for 1 week. That is priority. Water, electricity. There's no proper electricity in the village. The roads are not lit up. The beaches are not lit up. Electricity is second. And third is the beach. We have a beautiful beach. There's no parking. There are no toilets. There are no changing rooms. Parking is the worst.
सकाळी वोटिंग स्टार्ट जाले 7 वॉर्डांतल्यान आनी सगळे पीसफुली जाले. इवन गव्हर्मेंट ऑथॉरिटी आहा तेंच्यांनी फुल्ली कॉपरेशन दिले आनी लोकांचे खूब प्रसाद 88% हे चुकाळा पंचायतीत वोटिंगाचो ह्या लोकांनी दाखयलो. सो लोक आपले उमेदीन येवन प्रामाणीक लोकांनी वोट केला. हे बरो प्रसाद दिला आनी हांव म्हणटा हेजेर आमकां योग्य ते जीत मेळटली अशी आमकां दिसून येता.